Let's talk, and let's switch gears here and talk real estate update for Metro Atlanta. Here's my take. If you are a home seller and your home is in better than average condition, and now this doesn't mean you believe it's in better than average condition, it means that after you've compared it to the other homes listed for sale or recently closed in your neighborhood, that you agree that your home is at least above average, better than the average in the area, you really won't have a hard time selling your home in today's market. If you list it at an appropriate price, you'll sell it right near the full price. You might even sell it for a little higher than the full price. But if you have a home that is at average or below average in the market, then my suggestion is, it doesn't mean it's not that it's not a good time to sell, but I think you need to think through what your strategy is. We offer a program called The Upside, and it is about helping you as a home seller realize, does it make sense just to list a home and sell it on the MLS? Does it make sense to spend a little money, try to make some improvements? In other words, could we spend $1 and get $3 back at closing? Could we spend $15,000 and sell the house for $45,000 more? Believe it or not, that is possible in today's world. We had an investment recently of $3,800 into a sale, and the home probably sold for $18,000 more than it would have otherwise. It's a big, big difference. And this was a home that had been listed for months and months and months and did not sell. So if you want to find out what is the upside for you, is it sell for cash and close quickly? Is it improve the home and sell it and keep all the extra dollars? Is it get some cash to buy your new home before you sell your existing home? What is it that is the upside for you? You can find out by going to gogaddisradio.com, clicking on the upside, put in a little bit of information. Somebody will reach out, set an appointment for you to meet with you on the phone, possibly over Zoom, maybe in person, whatever works for you, no cost, no obligation whatsoever. That's on the seller side of the business. On the buyer side, I think people, now I'm not saying everybody can afford a home in today's market. Average market rates, interest rates were 6.675, I think, the other day. And not everybody can afford the payment at a 6.675% interest rate, or 6.5 or 6.75, whatever it is. And you shouldn't move forward if you can't afford the house. But if you think, hey, it's going to get easier for me to afford the house over the next 2 years than it is right now, I would say, well, you probably need to think about that again, because as soon as interest rates start to come down, and there's a whole school of thought that says they will not, but if they did, then buyer demand would increase drastically, and you get all this inflation in sales prices. So if you're thinking, I should buy, but I'm not sure if it's now or the next year or the year after, I say jump on in and get out there and look at some homes, because you can get it locked in at today's price, and then when interest rates come down, knock on wood, hopefully they will, then you can refinance your property at a lower interest rate.